I thought of doing an unboxing video because I already have so many boxes that I need to unbox, and I'm always thankful when I receive all these samples. Not only that, I believe in supporting young businesses or small businesses and entrepreneurs. So I always try to feature them on my social media or on my vlog whenever I can. So, first of all, let's start with this. This is a package from @breastfeeding on Instagram. And I know I'm not a new mom anymore, or I don't have any babies anymore, but I just wanted to show you how cool these are, and I really like them, and I like to support new moms, and I believe in breastfeeding. I was a big breastfeeding advocate when I gave birth to my 2 kids, and so I am actually going to be holding a contest on my Instagram to give these away. Look at this breastfeeding cover. These are actually really handy. When you're breastfeeding, you put them here around your neck, and then you can see the baby and you can feed the baby. So this is really cool. Thank you. And I like that it's white because it's nice and clean. And look, it comes with a matching bib, and it also came with a matching top. And there's another color. This is another color which one of my lucky followers will be able to win. Another breastfeeding cover, and let me show you the top. See here, and it's really handy because you can actually access your boob from here. That's what breastfeeding tops are for. So stay tuned on my Instagram because I will be giving these away to some lucky mommy followers of mine. Okay. After this, let's go to this package. So let's see. Wait. Okay, Sabi, look at this. Oh, what is it? It's actually from Crispy Salad. So it's from Crispy Salad, and it's a healthy snack, and we can always use healthy snacks, right? Sabi, do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Here, let's open it and then let's try it.
Wait, is it for kids or for babies?
It's for kids.
Yeah.
Ooh. It actually smells good.
Oh, wow.
Please there, come. Okay, so we're gonna try this.
Hi guys, can I try some more?
Okay, here, try this. It's show them.
Broccoli.
It's a broccoli. The packaging is so cute.
Okay,
Even babies can eat this. So ingredients: broccoli and coconut oil, and some pink salt, Himalayan pink salt. So it's actually very natural and so healthy. Look, she wants more. Okay, you can eat that there. Go, exit.
Oh my god.
Exit. So guys, my crispy salad. So this is cauliflower, and this is these are root crops. No preservatives, no additives, no trans fat, no MSG, and it's 100% natural. Okay, next box. Our next box is, oh my gosh, what is this? This is from, let's see. Oh, here, there's a card. It's from Rustans, the beauty source. I love these people so much. Here is Marilen on a short escapade or on a long journey. Bring along your favorites. Yay! Thank you, Rustan's Beauty Source. And cool. So let's try the
Wait,
first
is it
set.
perfume?
It is perfume.
Can I
So
try?
this is Aqua Universalis. Let's try.
I want to try.
Okay.
I'll see.
This one smells very sweet.
I want to try. Wait, don't put away.
Yeah, it's very sweet. It's a very sweet scent. What do you think?
Wow, it smells so nice.
Really? they're all very floral smelling. They all have floral, and then some of them have a musky scent, or some of them have a woody scent. Yay, thank you! Thank you! Next and last but not the least, we have something from one of my favorite brands called Neil's Yard. And I like it because it is actually all natural. So, let's read the card first.
Yeah, you can read it.
This one is also from the Rustan's Beauty Source. Dear Marilen, age well, stress less with Neil's Yard Remedies. Frankincense Intense Cream. Oh, I love frankincense. It has so many benefits. It's actually good because it cures inflammation, it takes pain away, and a whole lot more. So, Intense Cream of frankincense, which visibly lifts, restores, and plumps the skin. And it comes with eye cream to enhance the appearance of the eye area. I love these.
Now let's read this one. Oh,
That's just the delivery slip.
okay.
So let's open it.
I'm gonna open. Let me open this one.
Okay, you open that, and I will open the eye cream. I love eye cream. I always use eye cream because my under eye area needs it immensely. So let's see. I don't want to dip my finger into it because I don't want to get germs into the pot. I actually use a scoop whenever I use these products that come in a pot. But, I got some on my nose. But, it really smells good. It doesn't smell that of any scent. It
So
has no
guys,
scent.
look, it has this and the frankincense.
It's really, you can tell that it's really
I'm
made
gonna
with
open
pure
this. I'm
ingredients.
gonna open this.
Yeah. Okay,
What
here.
is it?
So it's some cream. It's intense hydrating cream. And look, you can put there some. Oh, it's very the texture is very
It smells good.
sticky, and you don't smell anything at all. No added perfumes. And I'm sure this is going to be really good because it's got frankincense and it's got natural materials. So Neil's Yard is organic. Okay, Neil's Yard is organic. It's 75% organic. It's cruelty friendly and it's gluten free, which I really need because I can't take anything. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you for keeping me company in today's unboxing vlog, and don't forget to
Like,